As we take a look at what's happening with the bank trade overall, it was a relative outperformer compared to the rest of the markets, but it still did some damage. But it looked pretty good compared to, say, technology or communication services. So you take a look at the S&P 500 financials over the course of the month, we are still down about 5%, better than the overall market and certainly better than technology and those communication services stocks. And we did see a little bit of an uptick over the last week or so in those particular shares, at least on a relative basis. That's going to be something to watch. Elsewhere, if you dig into the charts a little bit more with regard to the relative strength and weakness in some of these bank individual stocks, we want to look at two of these standouts on the bank side of things within S&P 500 financials. Just the banks. Believe it or not, Wells Fargo, with a 1.25% gain for the month, is one of the best bank performing stocks. Meanwhile, SVB Financial, some will know this as Silicon Valley Bank, the worst performer in the S&P 500 for the month of October. Some folks are looking at this gap and they're saying to themselves, that's a big deal, especially with SVB Financial, because it's seen by some as a leading indicator for that technology, biotech, and venture capital business, the technology-heavy stuff. That's going to be one to watch as well with the weakness in technology. Also wanted to show you a longer-term chart of the SPDR FTSE S&P Bank ETF, that ticker KBE. Over the course of the past 3 years, here's the purple line, the 200-day moving average. You can see a very sharp move lower here and a bit of a bounce in the last couple of days. The last time we saw this deep of a move below its long-term trading average, Sarah Sully, was back in the early part of 2016, right around the diamond bottom when markets did bounce back quite a bit. We'll see if that plays out in the coming months.